Brian Redzikowski from Kettner Exchange. This week I'm going to be showing you guys a dish that we put into the box called the watermelon poke that we do during the summer months here at Kettner. It's very, very simple. We're showcasing the watermelon because of the hot weather right now. It's really ripening, very sweet. So this is actually, I wanted you to see the beginning process of this. The watermelon that we do is we actually compress this and you freeze it. The next day you pull it out, you let it temper or defrost at room temperature, and it actually turns into this right here. So if you see this, it's kind of like, looks like tuna, so that's where the idea came from. Okay, let's do like a poke out of that, which poke really means, translates to chunk. So we utilize the watermelon in the place of tuna for the summer months. So very, very simple. Just get a bowl. So when you get your watermelon, it's gonna be sitting in its own liquid. You just wanna strain some of that off. And then the water, you can either drink that water, it's 100% watermelon. So from that, scallions. Put in that. We have two different kinds of tomatoes this week. Sungo Farms cherry tomatoes, and also the girl and the dog that we did as well last week. So we can add that as well. Extremely sweet right now. And then this one we're just gonna really gently toss. Furikake, that's just a little bit of seaweed. A little bit of sesame. So now you have here the cucumbers. For something like this, I like to leave them a little bit chunky, a little bit of a mouthfeel for that. Again, you can shave them thin. It really comes down to you. You throw those right in there. Okay, the avocado. What I like to do is just slice it. And I don't toss it in there. I like the texture of the avocado. I don't like when it's all broken apart. But again, it's up to you. If you want to mash it, you're more than welcome to mash it. The sauce. This is a little ramen sauce, we call this. A lot of soy sauce, sesame into this, scallions as well. And then this, you really want to cover it up. You're going to use a slotted spoon. And then this is what I was talking about, to just gently fold it so you're not breaking apart the tomatoes and the watermelon. And you don't want to pool a sauce on the bottom either, but you don't want it dry. Stack it up there. And then to finish it off, just put a little bit of cilantro, the micro cilantro on top of that. And then for the very last thing is a little bit of shrimp chips. So what we take here is we just actually take shrimp, we mix it with tapioca, steam it, dry it, fry it, and then you guys are gonna have a bowl of chips like this. You can eat them on their own if you want, but I like to garnish with it. Add a little bit of texture to the poke. That's it. Nice bowl of watermelon poke.